All right, we're still here at the Rapid Renovation Formula Challenge with Naomi Finland. Another little tip and update that I've noticed, well, I didn't notice, but has been pointed out to me, is that, ta-da, the doors have been hung. Now these are secured, so I'm not going to actually open that, but you can see the doors are hung here. We've put in, I think it's 5 brand new doors internally. Now some of the doors were good, we could have kept them, but many of them weren't, and we wanted them, 1, to be uniform, and 2, the money it would have taken for the painter to prepare and paint the door would have cost a lot more than just replacing the doors. So these brand new doors, they're already prepared and primed and ready to go and paint. So it's much cheaper to buy these doors through the Power Pass discounts and have them ready to go. Now my chippy, I just spoke to him, he's about to do all the hardware on the doors, that is all the door handles and the locks and stuff. He's going to do them now and fit them, but then he's going to remove them for the painters, so that the painters don't end up marking or wrecking or dinging or anything that the door handles, which are going to look quite nice when it's all finished. So he's going to move them, fit them, then take them off. Painters come in tomorrow, they're going to blast the whole house, and then when that's dried, the handles and that will go back onto the doors, and it should look good as new. So looking forward to that update with you guys soon. Have a great day.